So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using AI, ChatGPT to get you sales like this through sites like Redbubble in just a week. So as you can see from the 25th up until 2 in the morning today, pretty much the sales have been coming through, and that's what I'm going to be talking about. My name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel, and here I'll give you guys tips and tricks on how you can make money online through print-on-demand sites such as Redbubble, and now also with the help of AI. AI has been around for a little while now, but I've been playing around with it behind the scenes, learning the best way to optimize and maximize AI as an assistant to actually help you make sales online. If you're starting off with literally no money at all, this is a great way to get into your online money-making journey, and this money could be invested onto other things, other sites to help you make even more. Now, the main site I'd recommend you guys use is this one here, ChatGPT, mainly because it's completely free, and I'm going to be showing you some prompts you can put in, especially if you want to get into print on demand like myself, or if you're looking to just up your game and optimize what you're already doing. Now, the first thing you want to do once you come on ChatGPT, let's say you want to use Redbubble or any other print on demand site, you want to first off ask it, what are the best selling print on demand products? Now, there's a variation of products you can work with, but this will help you to kind of form a plan to see what you're going to work. Now, what I like to do before I put any prompt in, I will tell it that it is an expert. So in this instance, I'm going to type in, you are now a print on demand expert. Sometimes it will give you a little bit of information about print on demand, what it is, what you can do with it. At this point, you just let it write out what it's writing, and then once all this information is out, then we can get into the business, into the meat of things, and actually start furthering our research to improve the chances of us getting sales. So here we've got a lot of information about print on demand. Now we want to put in what are the top 10 best selling products. Now, at this point, it should know we're talking about print on demand because we've told it that it's a print on demand expert. So as you can see, got t-shirts, phone cases, hoodies and sweatshirts, posters, wall art, tote bag, got stickers there. Now, as you can see there, it's brought us a list of 10 of the best selling products you can kind of work with, and all you want to do here is pick a product. T-shirts and stickers, in my opinion, will probably be the easiest ones to start off with. Just want to let you know, down in below, I've got an updated free print on demand starter guide, which I will get into in a minute. But before we get to that, if you do want an updated version of ChatGPT, bringing you information that's updated to 2023, as at the moment, this is only updated to 2021. For anyone looking to turn print on demand into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid print on demand guide that's also down in the description that will show you all the advanced methods you can use to up your chances in getting sales, how you can optimize with AI, as well as other tips and tricks I use to kind of get the edge on competition to boost my sales. Now back to this, once you have a product, so in this example, we have stickers, you can then search what are the best selling niches for stickers. It types out suggestions for you here. As you can see, there's ways you can optimize this and make it very, very easy to read. But like I said, I covered that in the premium guide. But with the information we have here, all you'd want to do is pick one of these niches. And once you have the basics of how you can actually work with AI, you can go down in the description and download my free print on demand starter guide, which is now updated and optimized for 2023. Now, once you're on here, this is what you see. It gives you a brief definition of what print on demand is. And looking through, there's different websites that you can use, sign up to, and work with that I've used. And one of the things that's featured here is Redbubble popular tags. Now, this is just one of the many sites you can use for research. And if you open it up with this link there, this is what the site looks like. So there's an explanation of how that works, how you can play around with products to optimize And this free print on demand starter guide shows you obviously my successes with print on demand, various sites, and obviously how you can start up on your journey. I've also put out all the free print on demand websites you guys can work with and the tools that I use to optimize my shops, my sales, designing, and everything along those lines. Even an example of how you can use AI on top of what I've already mentioned in the start. As you can see here, I've searched what are the top 5 holidays for selling with print on demand, and then it gives you an idea. Obviously, if you look through in here, you get the Christmas, Mother's Day, Halloween, Independence Day, and all you'd be doing is then doing research online to see what products or niches within these holidays sell well, and you can go from there. It's very easy to do. A lot of people have watched my videos in the past, tried the methods that I've used and got sales. And with these new methods I'll be bringing to you, especially alongside AI, I know you guys will be able to up and increase your sales as well. Nevertheless, I'm going to end the video there. Get started with print on demand if you haven't already. The game has changed and I want to bring you guys alongside with me. If you have any questions about sites like Redbubble, let me know. Recently, there's been things going on with tier systems. I've got various shops. Also, if you want to hear my thoughts on that, why I think certain shops go into certain tiers, let me know down in the comments. But always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.